Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you
What's up, everybody? Hey, this is Scatterdad, and welcome to another... Just kidding. Comment down below if you know whose videos those are from, the beginning part. Anyways, check this out. I just wanted to make a quick video update. So, as you can see, I'm missing something here on my KLX. I still have it off because of my headlight. I haven't been out. I want to go drive it. Well, I did go drive it, but I just need to put it back on. So, anyways, as you can see from the title of this video, basically, I wanted to make another video about how I was wrong about the Yamaha TW200. Now, currently, I own two of them, and they're fun little bikes. Now, they're fun little bikes. At first, you know, I really didn't want to be seen riding one. I was kind of like thankful I was wearing my helmet and people couldn't, you know, see my face. I was really embarrassed. But I was wrong. These are fun little bikes. Now, you can't go wrong owning one of these bikes, okay? Now, the deal is whatever you want to ride, go and ride it. Whatever you want to go and buy it. If you want to buy a Yamaha TW and you feel it ain't right for you, sell it. Buy something else. Maybe you're more comfortable on the KLX 250, like I am. But I'll tell you what, I can have fun on anything that I'm riding. So, specifically, this Yamaha TW200 is very fun. This one, honestly, feels a little different than my other one. Just the setup, they got different bars on them. The handle grips are a little wider on these ones. They got these grip warmer thingies. I don't like those. But anyways, on that note, they're completely different than this KLX 250. Yeah, they're just different bikes, man. They're made different. They feel different. They ride different. The way you sit on this Yamaha TW200 is completely different than the way you sit on this one, this KLX. Now this KLX, I shaved the seat on it so that it's a little more comfortable for my short legs. But overall, I think it's a pretty fun machine. And to be honest, the suspension is a lot better than the Yamaha TW200. But once again, I was wrong about the Yamaha TW200, and I want to apologize. And no, I don't regret not getting a CRF 250 or 300 Rally. Man, maybe I should have listened to Sean. I think I'm gonna sell my bikes. Just kidding. But check this out. Stay tuned, because we are going to be giving $150 away to the biggest Scatterdad fan. Now, I don't have that many fans, so your odds are pretty darn good. Now, the only thing that I am recommending, or not recommending, that yes, I'm going to, this isn't going to be some random drawing, but basically, I'm going to reward the biggest Scatterdad fan. So I'm going to give Venmo somebody $150. That's right, $150 to my biggest Scatterdad fan. All you got to do is comment on the videos. So go down, go scroll through some of my videos, comment down below, like them. Well, I can't really see who likes, so you gotta comment. You gotta comment so I can tell you're the biggest fan. The more videos you comment on, the more I'm gonna see, the more I'm gonna notice, the more I'm gonna see your name out there. So, that's all it takes. We're gonna go tell maybe December 15th to the 20th or something like that. So yeah, remember that and comment down below. On that note, we're most likely going to be doing another, some of my other videos, I gave away a set of tires. Shout out to Steve, the Provo Big O Tires. I still need to get with him and kind of work out the paperwork. But we gave somebody a set of tires. Now, I'd like to continue doing this. So your support from the channel, as far as the money I make, or say, you know, you go buy one of these racks right here, it just helps us out. But here's the deal. I want to give away more. So you're going to be seeing some videos of us being nice, being kind, buying people's drinks for them at the drink place, you know, buying somebody's meal, maybe going to a restaurant. Maybe we'll get together and do like $100 tip night where we go out to a restaurant and then tip the, you know, waitress $100. Everybody who comes will be required to tip $100. So we've got 5 people there. Guess what? The waitress walks away with $500 cash. Dude, I get a kick out of helping people out. Not really, I guess, I mean, that helps people, but it's just a surprise, right? It's like, holy cow, who wouldn't want $500? The real kicker is that's just what I like to do. I like to help people. So, anyways, that's it. That's all for this video. Stay tuned. We're gonna take these out a little bit more because the weather's cooling down and my work's slowing down, and we're gonna go ride and have some fun. So, yeah, that's it. Remember, smile. I'm serious. I'm gonna say this every single video, but smile. Smile every day, every morning when you get out of bed, and be grateful that you woke up. Seriously, try this and change your attitude. You know, try to remember throughout the day to think positively. You know, start thinking negative, change those thoughts. You'll see a shift in your life. I guarantee it.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the